All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about the rectangular marquee tool and the elliptical marquee tool. So let me go to the untitled document here that we never saved. I'm going to do File, Save As, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay, and I'm going to hit Save. I'll hit OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work with the rectangular marquee tool. So I'm going to highlight that. So if I click here, and I'm going to zoom into this one right here. So this is artboard 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all these layers and hit delete. Okay, and then what we're going to do is zoom in one more time. So we just see this one artboard. Okay, so when I select the rectangular tool here and I click and drag, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a new layer here, and then I'm going to select blue. So we're going to click on the paint bucket, and I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to drag this down, so I'm going to hold Alt. Oh, let me go back to the Move tool. There we go. I'm going to hold Alt and drag that down and line it up. And then I'm going to switch the colors here, so I'm going to flip this, or you can hit X to flip it, and then G for the bucket, the paint bucket, and there you go. So now we have two different colors. So that's how you use the rectangular marquee tool. Now the other thing we can do is if I right click on the marquee tool, we can grab the elliptical marquee tool. Okay, and what that's going to do is if I create a new layer, I can draw this inside. It's kind of like an oval shape, and if I select, I have the right color selected, so I'm going to select the paint bucket tool and then paste that in. Then if I hold Alt and drag it down and then hit X to flip the colors and then G for the paint bucket, now I can see, I can put the elliptical marquee tool inside of a rectangle. Okay. You also have the single row marquee tool right here. So if I hit that and then hit delete, you're going to see what's going to happen. Absolutely nothing, because I have the wrong layer selected. So what it's going to do is if I put it here and hit delete, it should cut that out, just the one little space. So you see that it cut out just that one pixel there. And then if I go the other way, okay, to kind of make like a bullseye here, and hit delete, now you can see we have kind of a bullseye in the middle. Okay, and I'll do that again down here just to show you again how this works. If I grab the row marquee, the single row marquee tool first, put it around the center, hit delete, then it's going to draw a line right through where we placed it, and then the single column on top, same deal. Now it may not be exactly in the middle, but close. And the idea is just to understand what the tool does, so you can see that's what it does. So if you need a line and you've made a box, for example, you can grab that the single line, single row marquee tool or single column marquee tool. So this one goes horizontal and the column marquee tool goes vertical. All right. So I'm going to hit Control D to deselect that. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.